I'm Louis.
Oh yeah, I'm aware. Latest pickups, some 6s. We in the shop. We got Sergio's favorite client right here, / boyfriend. But hey, name me one Prince song. Man, Purple Rain, bro.
I was about to say Rick one. I was about to say Island Boys.
One of my biggest pet peeves is when people wear band tees and they don't know the artist.
I know the artist. You're talking about.
Sure. What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I had a no call, no show at 9. I give my clients 10 minutes to get there. If they're not there within that 10-minute window, I do charge for the service. So that's what I had to do for my homeboy. I don't know what happened, but business is business. You gotta charge that no call, no show fee. You gotta charge the late cancellation fees to make sure that you insure your own bag. So keep that in mind if you are a barber or you're new to the game. Just make sure you're taking full advantage of your time and being watchful over your funds. But I thought I'd go and grab some breakfast for the boys. Since everybody is doing haircuts right now and I got a little bit of a time space to go get some breakfast. So that's what we're doing right now. Gonna scoop us some dollar menu, get us some food in our bellies so we can get through the rest of the day. It's not how much you spend, it's just the thought that counts. So just take that into consideration with the people that you work with, Always have a giving hand.
It's my first time.
Cheers, this is first time drinking Dutch Bros. You need a straw. Pretty good? Yeah. Is it better than Roasters? I'll just blend. I know you're an elite Roasters member.
He's like, you get 8, so where he's like 9. Nobody ends up dropping him.
That's a good movie.
He's like, let me hear it. Smoke up.
So I'm gonna show y'all here on this vlog how to put on some color enhancement. Well, my technique before people start blasting me. That's not how you do it. You know what I mean, Terrence?
Yeah.
Why are there so many haters out there? Can't do nothing nowadays.
It's alright. You the GOAT to me, bro.
Oh, I appreciate that. You're about to be famous. And that is the final product, YouTube. This beard says lemon pepper chicken wings all over it. Got 10-piece shouty in the building. Huh. Being the DJ is a stressful job, huh?
Especially when no one's ever happy. Oh, can you play country? Oh, can you play R&B? Oh, can you play techno? Oh, play some Spanish jams.
Whenever X is the DJ, we hear songs at least 6 times in a row.
It's not that. They all sound alike. That's Spanish.
We got the cops out here. They said we're putting out too many fresh cuts. They said we're killing it.
Tell them what's really going on. Tell them.
Tell them?
Yeah,
You tell
them. So apparently, I bought a stolen truck and they tracked me down. So, am I a criminal?
Nah, you ain't a criminal.
Am I a thief?
Nah, you ain't a thief.
Am I gonna get my money back?
You ain't gonna get your money back either. There's always interesting stuff going on at the barbershop. My boss just probably took a 12GL. Yeah, but you live and you learn. Don't buy off of Facebook, huh? So the guy you bought it from, his Facebook, you said had his kid's name? X? The Facebook of the guy you bought it from was his kid's name?
Yeah, it's his baby's name.
Scammers, man. Scammers.
I really don't know what's going on.
If they're selling stuff from a random Facebook account, red flag. What's up, bro?
Talk to them, please.
You want me to talk to the cops?
Yeah.
Nah, I'm not good with cops, bro.
No?
Nah. The cop looks stoned, bro. The cop, he looks like stoned, like he don't know what to do. So just a news update for everybody. My boss ain't in jail, so I was about to start a GoFundMe for his books, and his bail, but we don't need it. So truck's gonna stay his.
Even if they try to take me to jail, I would have resisted.
Resist it.
That speed I had in middle school would have came back.
Would have been diving and dodging and ducking.
I just got out and I ain't going back.
What's up, everybody? Just left the shop. It was a feasty Saturday. Friday and Saturdays are always feasty. About to get the kids and my wife and go and do a little bit of shopping with the kids. And hopefully go see some Christmas lights tonight. Gonna go check out the botanical gardens, I think. And you know, you saw last night we couldn't see no Christmas lights. So today I hope is the day we'll be able to catch something festive. But yeah, hope you guys are enjoying the vlog. We didn't go see lights, but we did some shopping. Lots of shopping. But no Christmas lights. Here's my mom's Christmas lights, though. Hey, what'd you get? Is it a dinosaur? What's in your hand? What do you have in your hand? What's in your hand? Is that Hulk? The Hulk. And here's a little bit more Christmas lights. And all the gifts that my mom and dad have already bought. It's a lot. But that'll do it for this vlog. I appreciate everybody for watching. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. Turn on your post notifications. So hopefully, we'll see some Christmas lights tomorrow. But until next time, God bless.